Selling on Amazon isn't as easy as it once was, but you've navigated through increased competition, ongoing logistical complications, and advertising challenges to make it to the other side. The days of growing at all costs are behind you. You're now focused on profitable growth. But to grow profitably, you need to understand how your business is actually performing. From how much you're making or paying in fees and shipping, to what you owe in taxes. Your accounting needs to be accurate, or otherwise, you're flying blind. The problem is, accurate Amazon accounting is challenging. You have settlements that span 2 weeks, often crossing a month end. There are hundreds of different transaction types, including an ever-growing list of different fees. And then there's tax, which is further complicated by both where you're selling and where you're registered. Although Amazon may collect your tax under the Marketplace Facilitator legislation, you are still responsible for tracking and reporting your tax and correcting any differences. Now, it might seem obvious to get all of this information from Amazon directly, but even that's not straightforward, as it's difficult to line up what you're paid with what you see in Seller Central, unless you're prepared to go through thousands of lines of data in a spreadsheet. And even then, you'd have to manually enter the transactions into your QuickBooks or Xero account. This is very manual and time consuming, and it leaves a lot of room for error. With all these complications and no accurate source of truth, it's no wonder why many Amazon businesses put off their accounting or just do it incorrectly. But this comes with some pretty serious risks. To get accurate financials, you need a solution that understands Amazon accounting and all of its nuances. That's why you need A2X. A2X is an e-commerce accounting app that helps businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers get accurate Amazon accounting so they have financial visibility into how their store is actually performing. So how does A2X accurately automate your Amazon accounting? A2X connects to your Amazon Marketplace and your accounting software. Every time you receive an Amazon settlement, A2X will create a summary of your transactions and post it in QuickBooks or Xero. The summary will outline all of the transactions that made up your settlement, broken down into their appropriate categories: sales, promotions, fees, tax, shipping, warehousing, reimbursements, reserve balances. I could go on. All of the transactions will be accounted for. If there is a settlement that covers 2 months, then A2X will create 2 entries, one for each month, and split the transactions down into the month they occurred in. The A2X summary will match perfectly with the Amazon settlement in your QuickBooks or Xero, meaning you can confidently reconcile in just one click. With A2X, you'll save hours a month accurately accounting for every transaction on your Amazon Marketplace. You get the data you need to pay the right amount in taxes, not to mention also meaning you'll get the most out of your tax deductions, and you'll have more visibility into your numbers to make smarter decisions. A2X is trusted by tens of thousands of e-commerce businesses around the world. It's built to scale and supports those selling on single or multiple channels in different states, countries, or even currencies. A2X supports the largest network of expert e-commerce accountants and bookkeepers. They trust A2X to help them provide their clients with accurate e-commerce accounting. If you're not working with an accountant or bookkeeper, we can't recommend our partners enough. They can help you make sense of your numbers. Our support team is focused on your success. They understand e-commerce accounting better than most because they themselves have launched their own stores or have bookkeeping expertise. Our response time is in hours, not days. When it comes to trusting your numbers, making decisions about your business, paying tax, calculating your margins, or even valuing how much it's worth in a sale, close enough is not good enough. Set up a free trial of A2X now.